Hey class 8, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are start here our horse question of DAV Maths class 8 chapter 4 and our chapter name is direct and inverse variation. So here this is our horse question. Our question is while driving his car at a speed of 50 km per hour, Ramit covers the distance from home to his office in 1 hour 30 minutes. One day he was 15 minutes late from his home. In order to reach office at time, what should be the speed of the car? Also find the total distance covered by Ramit daily. In this question, we have given that the speed of car is 50 km per hour and the distance from home to his office is 1 hour 30 minutes, which is equal to 60 minutes plus 30 minutes is equal to 90 minutes. And in the next line, one day he was 15 minutes late from his home. So here the time is 90 minus 15 minutes is equal to 75 minutes. And in this question we have to find the speed of the car and also find the total distance covered by Ramit daily. So let here for this question we have to firstly make table for this question here. So this is the table for this question. I write here speed. In second box I write here time. The speed is given here in the equation 50 km per hour. So I write here 50 km per hour and time is 1 hour 30 minutes, which is equal to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 60 plus 30 minutes is equal to 90 minutes. That is 60 minutes plus 30, which is equal to 90 minutes. And one day he was 15 minutes late from his home. So the time is 90 minutes minus 15 minutes, which is equal to 75 minutes. And let this the speed here x kilometer per hour. Here we know that distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Both are from the LHS. Both are from the LHS. So it is a case of inverse variation. And we know the formula of inverse variation. A multiplied by B is equal to constant. So I write here 50 multiply by this 90, which is equal to x multiply by 75. From here we have to find out the value of this x. X is equal to 50 multiply by 90 upon this 75. 5 times are 50, 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 3 3s are 9, here 0, 30 multiply by 2 is equal to 60 km per hour. Here the speed of the car is 60 km per hour. Now we have given to find out here total distance covered by Ramit. So from here distance covered by Ramit is equal to speed multiplied by time, and we have given in the question speed is equal to 50 multiplied by time is 1 hour 30 minutes, which is equal to 90. And now we have to convert the hour into minutes. So we have to divide here by 60. This 0 cancel this 0. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and 1 0 is here. 2 1s are 2, 2 15s are 30. Now from here 5 5s are 25, 2 is the carry, 5 1s are 5, 6 is 7, 75 km per hour. Now total distance, this is the distance. Now we calculate total distance. Total distance covered by Ramit daily, which is equal to 75 plus 75. Here from here 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, 1 is a carry, 7 plus 7 is equal to 14, 15, 150 kilometers. So this is the solution of this question. So stay connected with us for more videos. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. So that's all in today's video.